back to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. I also have a blog called lifemadesimple.blog. Today I'm going to be showing you our spare bathroom renovation. It was all done on a budget. It was DIY. We did everything ourselves and I just wanted to spend as little money as possible in this bathroom, but yet it needed a change. It needed to be lighter and brighter and have more openness because it is kind of a small bathroom. So stay tuned and I will show you everything that we did, and I'm going to kind of go over and talk about what we did and how we did it. So when you first walk in, this is the vanity, the original vanity. I would love to change out the top one day, but I just don't know if that will happen while we live in this house. But the vanity was an oak color, the same as our bathroom, and I did use, I want to say it was the Rust-Oleum chalk paint. But I will have everything linked in the description along with the blog post that I'm going to write about this bathroom with all the details and way more detailed pictures of the befores and afters of this bathroom. But we did this whole thing, and then don't mind the mess. I don't really have this too organized right now, but you can see this down here is it's called what do you call that? Tic-Tac tiles. It is a peel and stick tile, and I did that, and we also did inside the drawers too. So down in there, it is mold resistant, waterproof, all that good stuff. So it is done in all of that area. I will leave that link below along with a blog post about how I did it and tips and tricks. We did add the handles. We put a brand new toilet in here, and we made these shelves. There used to be a big cabinet right there, and yes, it did have storage, but this room is so tiny, and when you had this giant cabinet right there, all it did was just make this room look super tiny, and like I kept hitting my head on it. We added this shelf. I know this is a very trendy thing right now, and I just love it. Like when you're doing your makeup or something in here and you don't want everything out on the counter, you have that. Mirror is from Hobby Lobby. I actually got it online because I could not find one in stores, and I got it 50% off. The light fixture, hopefully you can see that, but it is from Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those. And these baskets, which I just have, this is also our girls' bathroom, so this is like a lot of their essentials, and then we have toilet paper up here. Those are from Target, and then I have these little baskets, which I got from TJ Maxx. And the shower curtain is also from Target, and then we made this. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't find anything that I really loved, and I wanted this wood to match all the other woods. So I got these from Hobby Lobby, and then we did this. And then there's this picture frame, obviously. Need to put a picture there. But this bathroom I painted in the sea salt sea salt, is that what it is? Yeah, Sherwin-Williams sea salt color, which I absolutely love. And then alabaster is the trim paint. The only thing I really have left to do in here is I did buy some tile, or no, not tile, the grout renewal stuff. So I will be changing the grout in the bathroom to a grayish color to match everything. So, and the rug is from Target. I know we'll get questions about that, but I will leave everything linked down below of where I got it. If I can't find it, I will note where I got it from, and I will link one that is very similar to it. But I will also be having a blog post all about this bathroom. Go check it out because I'm going to have before and afters and probably like in between progress photos. And then I will also leave a link to the blog post that I wrote about putting those peel and stick tiles down here in this vanity, which I highly suggest for everybody. I want to do my whole kitchen because they're amazing and it made it look so much nicer. So I hope you guys like this. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Please let me know if this is the type of videos that you like, of just kind of projects, home renovations. And I'm just trying to figure out what you guys want to see and what you enjoy more versus what you don't enjoy. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you.